Want to use Dropbox better on Android? This video covers simple tips to share, back up, and secure your files. Tip 1. How to share files and folders in Dropbox. Method 1. Invite other Dropbox users to the folder or file. When your receiver is also a Dropbox user, you can simply share the files or folders by inviting him or her. By using this means, you can co-edit the folder or file with the receiver. Now, let's see how to invite Dropbox users to a file folder. Step 1. Launch the Dropbox on your Android and then go to the folder or file you want to share. Step 2. Next, just tap on the arrow down icon beside the folder to display the menu and then select Share from the listed options. Step 3. Enter the recipient's name, select from suggestions, and choose Can Edit or Can View. Step 4. Tap the send icon to invite. Method 2. Send a link via social software. Open Dropbox and select the file or folder. Tap the arrow down icon and choose Share. Select Create a link and pick an app message, WhatsApp, Skype, etc. to share. Tip 2. Backup Android files apps, photos, docs, etc. Closing parenthesis. In Dropbox, tap Files plus Upload. Select the files APK, photos, videos, docs to upload. Optionally, delete the originals from your phone to free space. Tip 3. Access text and photos offline. Step 1. Open the file that you want to see offline. Step 2. Click the arrow down icon and turn on the feature Available Offline. Step 3. Go to the offline folder and then you can see the selected files offline. Tip 4. Set a password to protect Dropbox files. Go to Dropbox Settings Advanced. Enable Turn Passcode on and set a 4-digit code. Optionally, enable Erase Data to wipe Dropbox after 10 wrong attempts.